Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Are you fond of traveling?
Yes, I'm fond of traveling.
Have you ever seen the forest?
Yes, I have seen forest. I have visited to Mathiran in Maharashtra. You know Maharashtra, it is near Western Ghats. We know how dense forest Western Ghats have because it is in the leeward side of Arabian Sea. So there are very dense forest over there. I have visited, and I have also listened the calmness of the forest. You know, forest itself have the sound of silence. Silence also have sound that have, first time I came to know in visiting forest.
Are you fond of spending your time with the nature?
Yes, I love my time spending in nature. Actually, we can easily release our stress and we can let go the things when we are sitting in nature, near nature. I like nature.
What do you do to save the nature?
um,
Because
the
everyone
plants we
destroys
have
the
grown in
nature.
our home currently, I it's my duty to plant water those plants. And again, that I try to save electricity because somehow it is related to nature. It helps in conserving nature. Like before leaving the room, I will switch off the lights and fans. I will also try to save the water. At my own individual level, I can try my best to save the nature, and I think that's the best way if we take responsibility individually.
Do you have a garden at your home?
Yes, I have. I have planted some of the trees. It's not that big garden, but you can say that some plants in the pots I have planted.
Do you know how to gardening at garden?
At some basic level, I know like how to water the plants, how to take care, how to keep the plants in shade, and make sure that they don't get much sunlight so that they can't burn.
And what do you do? What do you tell about the God?
I didn't got
What's your theory about the God?
about the god, that many people say that god doesn't exist, but in my opinion god do exist, because you see, in a classroom also we require a monitor and a teacher. We require a principal in a school. We require a government in a country. We require a pm and president. Then why don't we require a god to manage whole universe? This universe is such a vast space. Then there must be a authority who used to who can control the world and manage the things, how the birth takes place, how death takes place, how rebirth takes place. All these things are
And now some people say that God is live in only temple, and out of temples we do anything. What do you say about
actually
this?
for those people